Hey guys, I'm Kuyo from Japan. Today, I enjoy Japanese bento box. I make the basic Japanese bento box today. Okay, let's enjoy cooking. First, make spinach and carrot namul. Remove the spinach roots and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Place them in a heat-proof bowl. Peel the carrots. Today, I only use 1x4 carrot. Slice the carrot thinly. Slice it any way you find comfortable. I think this method of mine was superior. Cut the carrot into lengths of about 15 mm. Next, cut them into thin pieces. Cut them as thin as possible so that the carrots cook easily. Place the chopped carrot in a heat-proof bowl as well. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce and 1 teaspoon sesame oil to the bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Heat them in the microwave at 600 watts for 3 minutes. Be careful not to be burned when you remove the wrap. Gently mix spinach and carrots together. Add 2 tablespoons of roasted sesame seeds. Mix them together. The spinach and carrot namul is completed. Next, make basic fried chicken karaage. Place 3 to 4 pieces of chicken thigh into plastic bag. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cooking sake, 1x4 teaspoon grated garlic, and 1x4 teaspoon grated ginger. Rub them over the top of the bag to infuse the flavor into the chicken. Knead them for about 2 minutes, then open the bag. Add 1 tablespoon of potato starch and 1 tablespoon of soft flour and coat the surface of the chicken with them. Pour plenty of oil into the frying pan and turn on the heat. Heat the oil. When you dip wooden chopstick into oil, if bubbles appear, this is a sign that the oil has warmed up. Add chicken to oil. Fry them for about 3 minutes. Frying time will vary depending on the size of the chicken. While frying the chicken, flip the chicken every minute. When the surface of the fried chicken turns brown, remove them from the oil. Basic fried chicken karaage is completed. Next, make Japanese omelette Tamagoyaki. Place 2 eggs in a bowl and mix them well. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to the eggs. Mix them well. Place the frying pan on the stove and turn on the heat. Grease the frying pan with oil. If you hear a sizzle sound when you drop a small amount of egg mixture into the frying pan, add only 1/3 of the egg mixture to the pan. Spread it thinly. Once one side of the egg is cooked, hold it over 3 to 4 times starting from the edge. Raise the frying pan again. Add half of the remaining egg mixture to the pan. Spread it thinly. Roll them together with the egg you just fried. Grease the frying pan again. Add remaining egg mixture to the pan. Spread it thinly. Roll them together with the egg you just fried. Use chopsticks to shape the tamagoyaki on the frying pan. Remove the tamagoyaki onto a cutting board. Once it's cooled down slightly, cut it. Cut the edge of the tamagoyaki. This is for tasting. Cut the tamagoyaki into 3 equal parts. The Japanese omelette tamagoyaki is completed. Finally, pack the food into the box. Lunch boxes can be arranged neatly by packing them with rice first. Fill about 2x4 of the bento box with rice. Arrange the tamagoyaki next to it. Place the karaage next to the tamagoyaki. Next, add a small aluminum or plastic cup for food. This cup prevents the moisture from the namul from getting on karaage or tamagoyaki. Add cherry tomatoes between the dishes. This don't have to the tomatoes. You can use boiled broccoli or your favorite vegetable. Finally, use chopsticks to make well in the center of the rice. Place the umeboshi in the well. The basic Japanese bento is completed. I think Japanese bento culture has developed because many Japanese people value lunchtime. When we eat lunch outside the home, such as school or work, colorful and delicious bento box makes us feel happy. Today, I made a basic lunch box using a simple recipe. The bento repertoire is endless, so I will share another easy recipe with you. Please watch my video to learn how to make bento box and have a fun lunchtime. And I would be really happy if you could tell me what your usual lunch is. Thank you for reviewing our Japanese bento box. Don't you think it looks so yummy? Please try it and enjoy your lunchtime. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and the like button. I'm looking